Waking up at 5 a.m. might seem like a tedious process. But trust me, you can get a lot of things done. The best part is that no one is going to disturb you, as they all would be sleeping. Hey there, my name is Rao. On today's video, I'm going to talk about how to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day. Alright, the first thing is setting an alarm. I know, normal thing. But this time, turn off your snooze button. Well, actually, if you didn't know, clicking the snooze button actually makes you more tired and it will make you harder to wake up. It has something to do with the REM thing, REM sleep cycle. You can also try putting your phone further away from your bed so that it won't be easy for you to turn off the alarm when you wake up. Step 2. Sleep early. Throw away your phone when it's time for bed. Social media is a drug. It will drag you to consume it. If your friends are forcing you to sleep late by video calling or like doing something, do this. Don't think that you will hurt your friend, just do this. Just cut the call. Them. Just cut the call when your schedule shows sleeping time. Now talking about scheduling, don't do it. It won't work. It won't work. Sleeping at a specific time every day, every single day is actually impossible. At least for me. Now this is because life might get in your way. You might be busy, you might have to study, you might have to finish up your homework. So what I tend to do is I will sleep when I feel tired, when I feel like it, when I feel like sleepy. Now naturally, humans have something called a circadian rhythm in their brain, which is basically a clock for your brain to tell your body when to sleep, when to wake up, things like that. Now listen closely. If you wake up at 5 a.m. for a week, for 7 days straight, you didn't miss anything with the help of your alarm, of course. Now eventually that will tell your brain to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day without the help of your alarm, of course. It's just your brain waking up because our brain has a clock inside it, something kind of like a clock. Now don't worry, even if you wake up tired in the night, at the same day in the night you will sleep early and then you will wake up at 5 a.m. the same time, you might be more energized. So sleep when you are tired and not by your sleeping schedule. Alright, I don't want to change my place anymore. Let's just go to the last one. On your phone, on mostly every new phone nowadays, it has something called night shift or vision comfort. It's just basically a filter that applies to your phone screen which turns it into a orange color. Turn it on because it actually helps you to have a quality sleep. How? By reducing the blue light from your screen from hitting your eyes. Now those blue light from your phone screen might affect the quality of your sleep. I know you won't trust my words, but this is scientifically proven by scientists. Alright, that's it from me. Hope you get a thing or two from this video. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, as it will help me to create more quality content in the future. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye bye.